Hey guys, this is Sri from Textros. Today I'll show you how to install Windows ROG edition in PC. So first you need to boot the pen drive using the Windows ROG ISO file. I have already booted the file, so you can see it's already booted. So right now I'm going to restart the PC. So you have to press F12 for boot menu and select the USB storage. So you can see it's a Sony storage media. To boot the ISO, all you need is patience. So you can see this is the Windows 10 ROG edition version 7 2020. Republic of Gamers. So this edition is specially for gamers. So everything is already so for in this you have to select your C drive, the main disk, to install the OS. So the installation is going to finish. So already 95% is completed. So select the restart now. It will restart the computer. So personal use. So just click offline account. Click limited experience. Okay. So type your name. Set any password. So just give the answers for your questions. Select not now. Skip. And now. So this whole process will take so much of time. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to skip all these things. You can see the Windows 10 ROG edition. So this is how the ROG will look like. So right now, it's ROG edition installing all the applications automatically. So you can see here it's installing one by one applications. This edition is really impressive. You can see everything is all changed. The UI, total UI of Windows. One of the best part of this OS is you don't need to install any inner softwares. Like inbuilt itself, all the softwares are installed automatically. You can see already the NVIDIA and display drivers is installed automatically. So this is how the ROG look alike. You can see everything is changed. The drivers, the look, everything is different compared to a normal Windows 10 and Windows 11. So guys, this is the way you can install Windows ROG. Hit like and subscribe for my channel. Thank you guys.